Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we gonna review the QR Code Monkey. The QR Code Monkey is the free online QR code generator to create a QR code for everyone. This is the first look of the QR Code Monkey. You can choose what you want to generate a QR code. For example, I choose a text for illustration. You can choose the quality of the QR code. This is the result. You can choose the format of your QR code to download it. You can customize your QR code.
Got the kick.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.